Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram post followers and following not showing. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store app and from here search for this Instagram and tap on this, and from here you make sure that update your Instagram app. I am already update. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your setting app and scroll down and type on apps and type on apps management and search for this Instagram and tap on this. From here tap on storage usage, tap on this and tap on clear data and clear cache, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and type on long press on Instagram and type on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again installed on Instagram. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.